Today I would like to introduce to you our new 22-part skull model. This innovative model is unique in the world. It's mainly held together by magnets, and assembly and disassembly is really a child's play. It's available in two versions, one anatomical version with natural bone colors and one didactical version with single bones in different colors, so they can easily be distinguished. In the following demonstration you can see how easy the model can be assembled. The assembly starts with the neurocranium. First, the parietal bones are assembled. Because they connect with magnets, they easily slide together. The occipital bone connects to the parietal bones, also held by magnets. On both sides, the temporal bones are attached, finding their position guided by the magnets. The sphenoid bone finds its place between the temporal bones. As you can see, the magnets hold the bone. The neurocranium is now closed using the frontal bone. The magnets pull the bone into position. The ethmoid is now attached to the frontal bone. Also, the vomer is placed at the sphenoid bone. The assembly of the visceral cranium starts with the maxilla. First, the lacrimal and nasal bone are attached. The palatine bone and the inferior nasal concha are put together and then added to the maxilla. The other side is assembled in the same way, and both sides can be put together. The visceral cranium is now attached to the neurocranium. This starts by putting the upper end of the nasal bones into the frontal bone. Then the visceral cranium is brought into its correct position. For correct assembly, the two halves of the visceral cranium have to be pulled apart to allow the palatine bones to slide behind the ethmoid. The visceral cranium is stabilized by attaching the two zygomatic bones. They are simply held by magnets. Finally, the mandible is attached and the assembly of the skull model is completed. This skull is a perfect tool for the osteopathy education. Leading osteopathy schools and teachers have tested this model, and all say that it is the best skull model for osteopathy they have ever seen. The model is supplied with a manual, an educational CD in 12 languages, and a bag with all small bones as additional spare parts. If you ever lose nasal bones, lacrimal bones, inferior nasal conchas, or the vomer, these parts are already there as free replacements. Of course, all other bones can be purchased separately in case you lose or damage something. Disassembly is of course much easier than assembly. It's an extraordinary skull model, but see for yourself.